Well, it's time to go to work again. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting this heavy snowstorm. It is freezing too. I can't go outside wearing these slippers. Fortunately, I have my brand new Nortiv 8 waterproof hiking shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Nortiv 8 Armadillo waterproof hiking shoes. So this is the army green, black, and orange colorway. I like it for its tactical army look. Heavy duty ability with a lightweight feel. Our men's waterproof hiking shoes sport a highly adaptable synthetic upper with a removable flexible insole, delivering exceptional grip and control over any terrain. Force your way to the top of any mountain with superior support and protection. Nortiv 8 men's hiking shoes are here to provide exceptional grip and support for your trip. Meet you at the top. All right, so the first thing you are going to notice is the rugged design featuring a soft shell outer, which has breathable fabric material, and this is waterproof, so I can't wait to test it out. And I heard it's a little bit snowy outside and cold. Nortiv 8 logo right there, a little subtle design. You got a pretty hard toe protection, closed toe protection, and also good support for the ankles, since hiking can be a little bit strenuous, so we want to make sure we protect our feet properly. All right, now look at the outsole. You see that all multi-directional terrain to dispel the water and the slippage if it's muddy surface. You got a very thick outsole to give you that great comfort and also protective barrier. Now looking at the round shoelaces, it's definitely spells ruggedness right there because you have these metallic loop closures. And now if you take a look at the insole, this is what is special about it. This is removable and it is memory foam. You see that it's multiple layers of not only good fashion statement, but it also gives you that very good comfort. And look at that, look at that weave pattern. Kind of looks like, man, that is some fancy interior right there. Seriously, looks like it reminds me like a carbon fiber interior of a car. That is a cool design right there. Can't wait to test this out. And I think it even comes with extra shoelaces. That's nice addition. So looking at the waterproof capability, I do notice this has a webbed tongue design. So the waterproofing can go up to this area. So you may want to make sure that your shoe isn't embedded beyond this point. See how there's like attached tongue all throughout. So this protects your feet from getting wet up to this point. That's I would call this like the water line. Let's go ahead and test out the softness of the rubber or the hardness with this thermometer. What do you guys think the number would be? Looks like we have a readout about 34.5. Not bad. What a beautiful, warm, sunny day it was to test out my brand new Nortiv 8 Armadillo waterproof hiking shoes. So in terms of design, as I'm walking through the grassy area, I really like that military style and look to it. It really stands out amongst low top hiking shoes. Now, as I am running through the area, it just creates a very unique style. For the styling, I give it a solid 8. Now, in terms of comfort and performance, as I am walking around these steep areas with a lot of rocks and uh, loose terrain, I feel that it really has a solid grip and sticks sole where it has a sharp absorption. So I feel like my feet is well planted. Now it does feel a little bit heavy though, unfortunately, but the overall safety in the grip, especially if you're on the wet area, makes up for the heaviness. So for comfort and performance, I give it a 7. Now, in terms of value, this is a very affordable pair of waterproof hiking shoes. And now, speaking about the waterproofing, as you can see, pretty heavy snow. It kept my feet pretty much dry. Walking around in the snow was a piece of cake. Enough traction, and it was a little bit icy on the bottom, so it provides also safety. You don't have to worry about slippage. So overall, it's got great value, solid look, and good performance. So for the value, I give it 8.5. So if you do all three averages, that comes out to be 7.8. So we're just going to round it up to lucky number 8. So as you can see, if you are looking for a solid pair of low top waterproof hiking shoes that's comfortable enough to walk around or run around in, definitely give the Nortiv 8 Armadillo waterproof hiking shoes a look. And I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised just like I was. Conquer the great outdoors with Nortiv 8.